Pablo and Style pinakalma ang fans matapos ang tampuhan issue. Di may kakaila na there's something in the air, especially between Pablo and Style. May distansya, something that we're not used to, and this has made fans talk, assume, at ang iba nagkakasagutan at nag-aaway na. But then, naglapag ang SB19 ng Pab Style video. Now, this video has not answered any of our questions, pero it looks like this is their way na pakalmahin tayo. Tiyak kasi na nababasa din nila ang mga assumptions and speculations, pati ang bangayan ng mga fans. It's okay to express your feelings and opinions, but not to the point na gagawa ng issue ang dalawa. Tandaan na they've been together for more than 6 years as a group and brothers, kaya paniguradong makailang ulit na silang nagkaroon ng awayan at tampuhan, pero nagkakabati din. Kaya imbis na mag-speculate and overthink sa mga maaring nangyari, let's give them time and as always, love and support. Nakakalungkot man pero wag po kayong mabahala. This will never be a reason na mabuwag ang SB19. Their dreams are too big and their respect for each other are too deep. These two shall pass.